In this demonstration, I'm going to show you how to do a vehicle sales internal preparation job sheet. Now, you must have already purchased the vehicle in as an item. I advise that you watch the how to purchase a vehicle, and the item card must be linked to a vehicle card for this to work. So I'm just going to create a job sheet. The service type must be the vehicle preparation. I'm going to go ahead and type in a vehicle registration. This registration is already pre-linked to the internal vehicle sales customer. Now this customer card is where all the setup is, which produces the postings in the background. So it is essential that you do use the correct internal vehicle sales customer account. This should already be set up in your system by one of the Garage Hive team if you have the vehicle sales module. So I'm going to go ahead and add the vehicle, which has added the customer. Now, if you want to check that this has worked, if you go down to invoicing, under the invoicing tab, you'll see that the VAT business posting group is set to internal, and the item charge number is set to vehicle prep, and it's connected to the vehicle item number that you purchased this vehicle on. So we're just going to go ahead and add a labor line. And don't worry too much about the values here. This is purely just for demonstration. So the customer will already have payment terms. This is simply ready to pay. You do not need to mark the internal job sheet as paid because you haven't actually taken a payment. It's just as simple as now posting this. Now this job sheet has all the functions of a standard job sheet. It can be allocated to the schedule. Technicians can clock in on and off the jobs. You can produce vehicle inspections and vehicle inspection estimates, for example. So I'm just going to go ahead and post this job sheet. Now what that's done in the system is it's produced a corresponding purchase invoice and also posted it against the relevant vendor. But if we go ahead and take a look at the items now, we can see the vehicle sales items in stock. If we go and have a look at the value entries of the vehicle that we've just worked on, so we can see that the cost price is 4,500. If we click on the cost price and go to the value entries, we can now see that not only do we have the original purchase value, but we also have the internal job sheet that has been posted against the item and increased the standing value of that vehicle. So that is how you do an internal job sheet. I hope that makes sense. If you have any questions, then please let me know. Thank you.